let's get to it. Ooh, fun shapes, fun shapes. I think this is 2 paragraph tags. Let's get them. Let's do it. Let's get them. So we need to put pink, 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 pink on the background. And we need to put some margins on the outside. And this is E's. So I think that we only need 3 E's since it's all E's, which is a strange artifact of how things work. And do we need that background? Actually, we might only need border radius and a border radius of, let's do 50 pixels. And let's not put the background on. And let's do a border of, it looks like maybe 25 or 30. We'll start with 25. 25 solid white. All right. So now we push, 3, 4, 5, 60. Great. And then 100 on the sides. 120, 30. Give it a little more height. 2, 3. A little more border radius. 60, 70. 60, 70. How about this might be 70, 132 on the sides. There we go. And so it is 30. That's the shape that we've got so far. Now, we've got a lot of things sticking out. That's no good. So we need a second one. Now we can't see it, so I'm going to do a negative margin at the bottom, 100. So and then the P plus P, which is the second one, we're using the adjacency selector, the plus, and we do a height of like 20, and that's how you get that shape. Now, I see the fact that we got, these are going to overlap in interesting ways, and we got to mask out or clip out 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5. There it is. Okay. So as you can see, we've got parts of this that we don't need at all. In terms of our choices, I think we can, if we adjust these numbers a little bit, we need to do only a little bit less of a mask or a clip path. 200. So I made that 100 tall. Can I make it 90 tall? That would save me a character. I think I can make it 90 tall, and that's a win. Okay. That does mean that I need to adjust this negative margin to be less. How about try 100 or 110? There it is. Great. So I need a mask. And I can use a clip path. Clip path. And so I want to keep an irregular part of it. I want to keep, like a Tetris block's worth of it, right? I only need the top and this side and not the bottom. So top, side, and I could do border radius that was at 0, right? I could do some other different things like that. I could do border radius 70 pixels, 70 pixels, 0, 0, and then I might have a different shape, but I still have the same thing. But this way I get to keep the same border radius, and it looks like it's working. It does adhere to that. So let's get that polygon 0, 0, 100%, 100%, 100% 0, and then that last is 100%, or 100%. Let's say 100 pixels. And then obviously we need a clip path. Here our clip path is unset. And there are different ways to do that. So clip path is doing that. So 100. Can I use percentage? Let's do 100%. How about 80%? 80%. 90%. Oh. So this is, I do need more height. So you can see, even if I clip it, I have straight parts that I need to do there. And now I can either do that on this second one with a bunch of border radius hacks, but then I don't get the inner here. So yeah, I need to keep this tall. So 100, so that's making me spend the extra character. 110, 20, and then how about 130? 120. Let's do 120. Let's see what that does. And then we adjust this margin again. 2, 3, 4. Oh, and you see that little edge? That means it's still not quite tall enough. How about 125? How about 130? Okay, and then I think that we need to add another 10 here. All right, so that's going to give us what we want. Is it great? It's all right. Okay, so we've got 3 points here in our polygon. We want at least 2 more points. So 50%, 50 pixels, and then 0, 50 pixels. And this is wrong. We got something wrong. Oh, because I didn't. There we go. So it's at 50 pixels down. So that's actually great. So if that height is 130 and the margins are, or the borders are 30 in top, 30 in the bottom, so the total overall height is 190. So yeah, that's not going to fit evenly percentage-wise. I could use some Q values, but 50 pixels is just fine. Let's submit it and make sure that we got it at 100%, and then that's it for today. Oh, back end not happy. Let's try the back end again. I know there have been outages this week on Amazon Web Services, and I don't know what the infrastructure of CSS Battle.dev is, but it might. What's going on there? I do not have a good score. That is a terrible match. It does not like this at all. So what have I got wrong there? Oh, what is it? Because I have the border wrong. It's EEE, not FFF. Let's try it again. It's awfully close, but it is not the same value. There's a 100% match. All right, I got scared there. Var, we're gonna make this var --g for. It doesn't make any sense. And then we can just do --g to short circuit that thing. Minify and unit replace. No units to replace, I don't believe. And that's one last submission, and then we're all done. You could also mask this off with a mask with, I think, a conic gradient on the with a specified height and yeah, on the y-axis, or repeat. I'd have to do it. I'd have to do it to see, and I'm too tired to do it. But it's great to be back. Great to be doing these again, and looking forward to going back and doing the ones that I failed to do. Hope you're having a good day out there. There is so much happening in the world. Oh my goodness, it's so much stuff is going on in the world. But the way forward is to be aware, be kind to yourself, and be kind to each other, and go make a web page. Tell the world what you think. Bye.